advantage of the lady. That means that inside you don't care about her then.
Me care about
you
her.
just want to get toward
No, me care about her inside. Someone massage it.
I can't handle this temperature. It is crazy hot out here. Good. Are we in focus? No, you see, Adams, as a matter of fact, morning people, morning, big up on yourself. Welcome back to the channel. We get some positive energy first. So before I actually tell you what this video is about, when I start the record now, I see the brother walking and I say, oh, John must start. Chaja. God bless him still. Go pray for him. We pray for him. And pray for yourself. Pray for everybody. Chaja. But anyhow people, big up on yourself. Blessed morning. Welcome back to the channel. First time over here. My name is Akin. So in this one, as a matter of fact, I'm at Montego Bay, St. James right now. I'm in Montego Bay, St. James. Pit 4 to be exact. Reason why we're at Montego Bay so we can pick up Lexi. Wanna recognize our people? Yes, so that is Lexi. I don't know how I catch the BTS, but I will see what go on. Continue. Come on man, forward with me. Oh, remember if you like the video, if you're first time over here, definitely subscribe. Do all the good things them. Share it on your social media platform. I'll get into the video.
If you like more, if it's...
Watch about it.
Don't take it as an advantage. No, because you hear that cry or something that means you go...
If I only chance I get to take it.
Talk to me about that scene there. Introduce yourself first, because I don't know who you know.
The scene.
Hmm?
The scene I just do?
Yeah.
No, I can introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about what just happened.
Okay. Hey guys, good evening.
Hold on. No, it's like I want transformation, like I want total different smart chip in a while.
Yeah man, that's it.
I camera.
Fierce, confident person just come on screen.
Okay.
Ready?
Really long time.
Hey guys, good evening, greetings to you all. I'm your girl Lexi the best. You can call me Lexi. And I'm here with Richard Brown. You know, we're filming a video, we're filming a movie, and the movie is about a friend zone. Like, I keep on put my friend in a friend zone, but really and truly, he want me and a quiet. But more my man, you know, and my man he want me, I really want him because I have him as a friend. And we've been friends for around 15 years, or him can tell him, because I'm really a couple of years then. So.
And if
Here, I'm gonna broke my
things-
heart.
Sometimes make it stronger.
What much of things?
F
Yeah, man, all the time.
Fuck up things. Oh, okay, so I'm
Yeah, all the time.
F-U-S.
Yeah, you mess up things sometimes.
Most time.
If you do it the wrong way.
But I personally think the men out there, if the lady's crying to you because of what
Do not
her
take
boyfriend is doing,
advantage.
do not take that as an advantage. I consider you guys as weak men.
Yeah,
Don't do that.
unless you can make the situation better.
Listen, don't listen to Kaya. Don't listen to him. That's not nice.
Just like revenge something there. When you go revengeful and say I would do it and now you're the best love or best thing you could ever find.
Listen, if she doesn't, alright, remember you know you're not a friend. If she don't want you and she want her man and her man keep on her, probably abuse her and if she not push it on to you and say, listen, no man I do me this, so I think you're the one. If she not do that, nobody force her and take advantage.
She's not going to do that.
You have some women who will do it.
Why they would do that?
Like, alright, me not say I'm gonna push up in her, but if she not, if you not say she not really make no move towards you, and
Yeah,
she
but
just
you-
have you as a friend,
Hold on, no.
just stay as a friend.
You ever hear of
No.
but
Right.
it's unfair though. It's unfair.
Remember, you guys are friends, so not because the lady I get abused, that don't mean nothing change about the friendship.
Come on, can I tell you something? If I a ball and you are my female friend, come give me something. Yeah, come give me something, but can do me something.
Because I'll be like them.
Alright, you ever hear one female talk about one guy when never see as somebody when I'm there with
Yeah.
yuck, oh my god.
Yeah. That's true. That's
You know what I'm saying? So if you don't see as that, you now see as that. You can't now see as that.
But we're not talking about the girls who see the other boys as yeah, they're nice. What about the nice ones?
You still now see my somebody when I lie down.
No, friend zone is real, you know.
I see you something.
Friend zone is a zone.
It happens daily, every day.
Alright, if you have, not your friend zone alone, you have like your wood zone. You come and say era. Oh, I'm not everyone from my era. So don't come one man say so. Yeah, I just people don't.
That's true, because I don't like it either.
No, I don't man from my era. Remember, come and say.
I don't want him.
You know, a million times. So many times man take era me better than.
He's gonna be on the streets with other niggas. I don't want to see him every day.
So but then there is somebody we don't know.
You better get somebody.
You can still know him and out of port, you still know him.
No, let's see, say better than somebody you know from morning.
No, that is your opinion.
Yeah, but no, not my own man. You see,
Your opinion.
You know, if he's smart, you know what he do and when he's bad and what he do. If you're a good girl, do your thing.
Yes,
girl.
but 90% of what you're saying that doesn't happen on a daily basis. If you realize that in a some community, the boy them go to poke, go carry their girlfriend, the man and the woman them go to poke, go look their man or go get.
So really you not chat out the movie?
Not if I move.
No,
I just wanted to surface our
yeah, you know, that's a little
Just find out,
summary.
man.
Just a little summary.
Oh,
But
Zane.
fire, on the other hand, I don't think you should take advantage of the situation.
It's not advantage.
It is what?
If you enjoy, it's opportunity to enjoy.
It's not opportunity and it's taking advantage of the lady. That means that inside you don't care about her then.
Me care about
You
her.
just want to get toward me.
No, me care about her inside. So I massage it. Now massage her inside, I care about it.
Alright, listen up. It's not about inside now, it's about
We go after
how
first
she
then.
feels. You don't care about her emotion. She's
Yes.
hurt.
More.
So if she hurt, the way not to solve it, you don't use sex to solve it. You caress her and like, okay, you make some breakfast.
She like put on breakfast and make it here. When she done, she alright.
Alright, listen. You
She not tired then. My friend, my car if you want to go till you get over where you get over.
But you don't have to use sex to get over it.
No, I know, but sometimes you do that fast forward. You're done. You're about to think you start laugh tomorrow.
What if she don't want the sex? She consider it as rape. Because she already
No, you see, man, I said we did not do that. You know, force yourself. But if you did that,
but remember, she not push on herself fine.
no, but remember saying that woman is supposed to push, you know. And man, there's a time for man push, but there's a time for a man push.
Guys, I'm not gonna do this.
Woman receive. Can you come back? I say make.
Alright, so people, it basically turn now on conversation about relationships. So right now, we come back to you know. But
No,
make them have them time and we come back. No, come back. So, what me want to know now, Zin? The shooting experience so far. Like a scene or a shoot, how was it?
It was good.
Feel comfortable, feel like you work around people you work with?
Come here.
That's an actor's job. You're gonna work around persons who you don't know.
Okay.
So, just like an athlete, you're around with persons who you don't know. So, same thing.
So,
And see what she did very convincing with the crying. Cause when me dey behind the camera, me like,
almost,
and she really into it, like.
And I
you know?
could have done better, you know?
and people me think me shine another one because
No,
I really like something for me, you know, friends one thing, a friend birth, you know, friends
You're
one
right.
thing. So,
I said, I was like, put that first
yeah, man, me have the experience, me have the experience.
Already?
Yeah.
So you should, then if you have the experience already, it's nothing for you to play then.
Tonight, me I say.
Yeah.
Alright, step out.
Action. How fast the pattern?
No,
That's the way.
no, that's right. Papa is done. They not show. Alright, just step back down, look, you see? Eh? Step back down, you not show, man. You step back down, trying to walk in.
Let me have a
Yeah, and then go straight in. Action now.
Rolling.
One. Come on. Come on.
Chin.
No, actually.
Eu like it for some.
Alright.
How long we?
Odi.
Tak boleh macam light apa apa light kan?
Then I wish I'm reaction from.
No, man, light tak.
Oh.
I don't need to do that. Just turn it on. Oh, upstairs, let's see me. Downstairs. Oh, well. Wait, lock what?
Go back. Go back.
Vamos como vamos fazer agora.
No, she.
She first, that's that.
Yeah, they're gonna pick up one package here tomorrow. Somebody's gonna deliver something you know.
Oh, well, you can say, hey, why I'm browning? And this is a good thing to see you.
Yeah. Simple mathematics.
I may have something to pick up tomorrow.
I want me to have a
No, she goes.
Me have a package.
Oh, you want to talk to me?
Yeah,
Me
take her.
never there, so I beg her for receive it from me.
Okay.
Yeah, man, pull it down.
You can outside, alright.
Yeah,
man,
ready, let's go.
So I take a walk down there, town.
Let's go.
Reverse.
Let's go.
So me must have a package.
Alright, close back the door. Close back
Alright, let's go.
the door.
Big up yourself.
Close the door, close the door.
And then come
Come brownie, watch it, Papa. Come brownie. Alright, ready now, Lexi? Okay, stop. No, not focus. Come on, stay right there. Alright, that's it, focus. Alright, so you're at the jar right now, and you are stop her, so go back in and yeah. So go back in and go back, right? So stay right there.
So we can put them in my garden.
Stay right there, stay right there. Just stay right there. Ready now, Lexi? Kira, me one time I see you on the bed. Open up your door.
I'm bed, Daddy.
Oh, sorry, I think this is small. I never know. Go back, go back. I never know who me there. So me there looking at back. Alright, ready now, action.
Burning. Long time I see.
Girl, I saw you, girl, I work on you something there.
Alright?
Hey, so you look so.
Come on, please. Come on, wipe off this again. Yes, shine. I look sweat like a rubber.
Cause it's time hot.
Alright, so get back the bag and put it.
Hello. I understand how some man vex anytime I say hello to nobody, but it's alright.
Whoa, big, the whole thing one.
Alright. Control yourself. Control yourself.
Come, me and we going to do action.
You know, man, you control yourself and then kill him out. So turn your back again like you're going in and come, close your eyes. Okay, stabilize.
Can I turn them?
Action.
Hey, girl, you know say I work on this something. So I you look so. Girl, I mean, I have to cry.
When would I cry, Burning? Hello? Hello? Yeah. Yes. Long time.
Go back, how old is
I'm
he?
sick, so me call her.
How old is he? Come on, right this way.
Alright?
Yeah, so she action, so you look so you're crying. I said, good man. I said, I'll take a walk up down the road, and then I'll finish this.
I know.
Wipe our face again. Just keep it rocking here. You may not want to shine out.
There's something for that.
So me need look shiny there, so me I talk to you about that, so.
Yeah, but
You're the ball, so it's supposed to look so.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's a good. Oh! Nothing, do that.
action.
Do that with
Remember someone in the camera, she got.
You're in a camera, come
You
on.
want the party of music.
I'm going to say, I'll do it, Harvey. Alright, ready now?
I'm telling you, sir.
Shh, ready now, Lexi?
Why would I cry about him? Girl, I know my friend them.
No, you've gone too far. No, she said, buy me a cry. No. I said, okay, if you say so. then go to the part where you're
Okay, we
outside.
got the pint then.
I am neighbor, you and she are really friends.
Okay.
Oh, man, Charlie.
If you say so.
You just pick up the pint and she said, well, I'm cry.
No, you said that already, so.
She said, well, I'm cry.
She can't just go right back to say, why am I not crying? Then you can say, okay, you say so, and then tell her about the package.
Okay.
Tell her, wait for me. You know, I hurry.
Don't worry.
Slow down, man. Yeah, slow down, man, slow down. Ready now, camera. Go from the camera. Ready.
Okay, if this is still, but anyway, still. Tomorrow, 12 o'clock, I get one package and I'm not going to here because my dentist will receive it from me.
Oh, you want me to collect it for you?
Yeah. Alright then, basically.
Anything specific over anything else?
Well, I'm going to accept the signature and stuff, so you can just put I on now.
Alright, I'll do that.
Alright then.
Alright.
Look at my hair.
Alright.
Yeah.
Lock the door, Ronnie. Come up, your backside. Come up. Lock your gun near the house. Lock the door. Come back. Alright, so go right back to where you pick up a while ago and then she said, well, she walk away.
So she
I'm
can
just
lock
not
there.
But you will lock your door too.
Wait, do it. Oh, yeah. What we do? Ready?
Yeah, I hate it. Alright, and ready.
Yeah, then I'm going to say.
No, go back to where you said. If you say so, go back right back to it.
Okay.
Action.
If this is still, but anyway still, I receive a package from me. Tomorrow, 12 o'clock, I got dentist. So if they ask any little thing, just put my signature I.O. because I'm not going to be here.
So you want me to collect the package for you?
Yeah, simple as that.
Anything specific you need to know?
Where's something?
One thing is, if I get bun.
Come on. Alright, so let's.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to feel so, anything I need to know, speak it out. Are you want to? It looks like everybody you want. You are Harry, you are Tom, you are Sam, you are...
Yo, where are you? Papa, you're alright. The papa, tap dancing, like I show me after I don't make it. I was going to see you. Like, the man is gone. So, alright. Go back in and say, alright, no problem, we pick it up and just close the door. Later.
Ready?
Me too, and ready.
Alright, no problem. As I say, alright, okay? Alright, we pick it up. Alright. Take care.
Alright, good. I'm just get on far walk. Carry light.
Then I get my mail at my door and go.
You just won't get your wheel. I have your
That thing won't jump on the road.
No, you don't follow there, you don't have that to do it.
Come back, Aki, come back. What you talking about?
Remember the lap?
So me go in and lock my door and she walk out.
Yeah.
Let me do again.
Yeah, man, same thing. And action.
Later.
Alright, good. Alright, so good. Come curious, so I'm good on my town, right? Curious, Aki, Alton, you have a shoe there and me go up. Change my shirt.
She have
Alright.
my phone?
Well, can mic come, Papa? You have to hold the mic. I thought.
Oh.
So what I do? Because I do understand.
Meet and greet.
So lock off me coming on today, you know.
See our role is when she's the one place to look.
Why lock off this thing?
What can I talk to her?
I don't lie at that.
Alright. Make it fast, sorry, I go look like I can be a man, you have a man with eyes that look at for a long time.
Yeah, the noir.
Yeah, noir, the eyes that look at. I know the opportunity time come now.
So you have a get out.
She didn't like him for a long time, but she did have a boyfriend, so she now will talk to him because she have a man.
I always have a girlfriend.
Which is about weird, but she after her boyfriend is gone, so I'm
I always have a girlfriend, so your girlfriend
so I
will
can
come
work on
to you.
wheelie. I can just work on a wheelie, bam. It's alright, but we can get a chance because we're scheduled the next change number.
Okay.
So you can back in now and
Come on to the people and like,
over next time now.
Hey, what's up?
Where's my wife and you?
Yeah, man, I'm telling you, I'm weird, you know. I'm weird already.
Where have you been?
Yeah.
That's what
I'm
I'm
not
saying.
no man if you want to breathe.
You just say you wouldn't be there no more unless you're single. I hope you're single now.
No, long time.
You know, long time ago.
Like we have time more, you know. But someone I'm just work on anything.
My right hand that is with me.
This is my left
But
hand.
you used to know to try to make you laugh.
That's
You
it, my wife and break up.
can tell a little story.
No, I'm not sure they were engaged. I'm not sure they were engaged and all this.
Same proposal, no?
No, you see,
I said to my woman to me, you know, you can't just try to much up like that. And I said to my woman to me, I don't love her so much. So now
We have to break your nose still, but you're not done now.
same to my woman to me, you know.
We're not
But my
friends.
woman saying, go spend 1 year or 5.
And you not come back?
And you not come back.
1 year, turn 2 years. And she won't spend 6 months.
I don't really know what's going on over there, so people look like some of the place burned down. Yeah. Zoom back out. Good evening.
What the fuck? Which one that one down?
I don't know.
I never see on TV.
I don't recognize our people.
No, I see a house burn down on the television. Me I wonder if it. So nobody not live over there?
No, I have no clue. I just noticed it just like you. So, yeah, we'll start with this young lady. Alternative. You know, me like you. Me like you. Yeah, alternative. Alton, I'm correct now.
Alton. When this burn down?
So we get her and I want a movie, guys. But more she if you tell her where she get from the movie because. You want a video of me?
Yeah.
Alright, do you think?
Alright, oh no, yes, sir.
Yeah, but it's a record already still.
Clear, though.
Me not focus?
But this clear.
You sure it me not focus?
This on A76 camera, same thing. Right?
No, that's a Nikon. The one we are talking about on Sony. The people blame her later for hold the camera.
Alright.
So, where are they? Interview me?
Want me to press for start record?
Not a record already.
Alright, ready? Yeah.
Question.
Hey, what's up?
I'm being questioned by Alexi people. First question.
What's your name? Your full name?
Akeem Lawrence.
Any middle name like Akeem?
I have 2.
Can I get them?
Ronaldo Vernon.
Ronaldo Vernon. So why you have 2 middle name? I mean, it's normally 1.
Them say one story there behind it, but them say my parents left out one story right there, so people always tell me. So I figure out something what all time people know about, but I not research it yet. But
Can I ask how old are you?
30.
You're 30-year-old, right?
Yes.
May I ask? Can I
They can ask me anything.
anything?
Anything.
You say you're a police, right?
Ex-police.
Some of the thing are still police.
So you see them out the road, heal me up, so.
No man, I thought like you're still a police. So you resign?
Yeah.
Why?
Then call me run with police.
Why you resign?
A long story that.
Anything negative?
Who leave? You remember the police? Next question.
The police were then catching at the bus with the lady.
No, not the ice cream police. Not that one. Not that one.
Alright, so what did you do?
One long story. They all over the news. I think all over YouTube. One live up with that.
With you? What you did? Me not here. More here now. At least give me a summary of it.
It's rough. I can't say it right now. I can't say it. That one a long story. I forgot to start talking to you about when I used to work at Moby and transfer to myself.
Alright, so were you a blue seam or red seam or what?
So, when me graduate, I never have no blue seam no more because them did do a merger thing. So
what did you, when you train, what them train you
I'm
for?
on regular police, so.
That are in the red seam where stop car?
I'm a traffic police.
Okay, so you never do no wrongs then? You never go for no shootout or nothing?
I go up on resilience duties, yeah. But the thing I'm trying to explain is that me could have been the one out there would have stopped the vehicle them same way.
Yeah.
Regular police, same way probably.
Did you enjoy your job? Don't say me I cut you.
Them usually say that about me too. So me always a cut off people. But they don't understand. Anyhow, yeah. If I miss it, Or me they enjoy?
Yeah, if both of them miss or enjoy.
Sometimes. I miss the traffic perks them. I miss. You know, normally some place I go there and show you ID then just let it through.
Yeah.
I miss that.
What about how many kids do you have? If you have children, I may ask.
Yeah, and in question I get personal, me have 2
But
sons.
what about if the viewers want to know if you have kids?
2 sons, 1 daughter.
Oh, you're fire shot, man. No more.
Yeah, 1 more baby girl.
You have 2 sons and a daughter. So you want to be 2 girl and 2 boy. Okay, so are you currently in a relationship, Mr. Hakeem?
Single, like a hit record.
Why are you single?
I don't know, I'm probably not put myself out there. Busy.
Put yourself out there. So you're on the market.
Yeah, I'm there on the market.
You just put yourself out there like say it's a piece of meat.
Yeah, so that's why you got to put yourself out there. I'm single and want somebody probably should not do that, you know?
Alright, so what's your plan for now? I mean, what's your plan?
You know then,
Like-
say, you move in a silence when you do certain things, but there is a plan. Definitely, there is a plan.
Not even piece of the plan we can get. Why so mean and
It
stingy?
involves cinematography, camera, movie making, and all of that.
So what are you now? Since you resigned as a police, what are you doing right now with your life?
Cinematography.
Can you explain that? I don't know the meaning of
So,
that.
all aspects of filmmaking. So whether it's advertisement videos, music videos, shot a couple of weddings, even some music video make it onto trending, YouTube trending.
Oh, so you do music videos?
Yes.
So if I have a song and I want to do a music video, I can link you.
Definitely.
So do you have a organization working with, or you have a team for yourself personally, like for you, not you working with anybody else, just a entertainment like for you, like you know, for instance, or you work with other people?
Same way, Richie, so there's a whole network of.
Oh, so you work with Richards and all of them.
Alright, how it works is, so you have your website where them book you up if them want weddings or whatsoever. You know, probably you, there's somewhere busy one day, you know, Richie know me, him say, oh, take that one for me. And you know how it go. Little gigs in the road and them kind of way.
And you're happy with what you're doing right now?
I am.
Any emotional breakdown at some point in life?
Yeah, sometimes I remember some things, me and some people I miss. As I say, oh, John, you know, say it never have to go so. And then more time, you know, I really cut it sometimes. So. But apart from that, good.
So, Mr. Hakeem, I'm gonna call you by your first name. What do you enjoy doing apart from, you know, cinematic things?
Alright, it's hard.
Okay, you must have
I
something.
like this though. When the camera is not on, I still like this, interacting with people.
What else? Anything else fun?
You know, I just like explore, meet new people, go new places, capture it, watch it back later and reminisce.
So when you were younger, this is what you wanted to do?
Always arts, because usually paint, make music, from ever since. Yeah, so from ever since.
So how about your family members now?
How many?
How about your family members? How are they doing right now?
One next long story again. Zena say, only way I can describe the family thing. I don't have the words right now.
You don't have the words, why?
Yeah, I don't have the words right now.
Okay then. So have you toured everywhere in Jamaica? Where and where you never go yet?
I go all 14 parishes, but I never cover all 14 parishes.
Introduced to you.
Yeah, me I get
Hello.
interviewed by
I read it
Lexi.
then. Look at this. I'm interviewing somebody. Who that?
And the line.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Lexi the Best, and I'm here.
I get
Okay.
interviewed by Lex. Any more questions like that?
I want to ask you some more question. Do you see yourself doing something else apart from what you're doing now?
I like this, and the fact that you can get paid by doing something you like, it's the most amazing feeling. It's difficult, but it just don't feel difficult, isn't it? Because you like.
Because them always say when you find yourself doing what you love, you'll enjoy it for the rest of your life, and that's
The
facts.
thing is, I know I won't be able to do this for the rest of my life. There's going to be a point. If I live long enough, I will probably have to stop the video. So that is where the plan that I don't want to talk too much about comes in.
Oh, you don't want nobody know what you're going to do to follow you.
Always move in silence.
A true man, a true.
Yeah.
So, have you ever think about doing something else. I think I asked you that question already. But what about doing like a business? Whatever come to your mind when we talk about business wise?
Alright, I have a forward thinking, so I always think about Bitcoin. I can't really afford it right now, but I always think about it, so I always try anything I do. I always keep that in mind.
Hey guys, what's up?
$1 one side.
You want to the same live? Really? Hey guys,
Yeah, I get
I'm filming. I film my film.
Yeah, I get interviewed. Yeah, I get interviewed.
I
Yeah, so
will.
yeah, Bitcoin, I just invest in some little business where people have to use probably at some point some apartment. But I feel like I expose the plan a little bit. But somewhere else.
So tell the people where you grew up.
One place called Strawberry, but there are no strawberries there.
Strawberry in which parish?
Westmoreland. Not Shrewberry, Strawberry.
Strawberry.
It's not really a popular place. You know, far up in the country.
Oh,
Where
right
people
up the
think
south.
Alright, let me tell you how that country is still. If you bring your laptop up there and them hear the voice talking a lot, them think of demons. And
What the
kind
fuck?
of country there, them far country there.
In Jamaica?
Yeah,
them places exist? I thought them something only I'm not 80.
Jungle justice, if you go there and rap nobody,
Then kill you or then you can't rape up there. No rape, nothing. Well, that's good at least. Them defend themselves. You know, some community things happen and everybody turn a blind eye on it. You know?
Not that one, then kill you. We actually witnessing something like that already. Christian people too, you know, with their ratchet knife.
Right. Alright, so you do YouTube videos, right? So what inspired you to do YouTube?
A white brother from Canada named Peter McKinnon.
There's a lot of white dudes on YouTube who are very famous.
Peter McKinnon.
What kind of vlogs do you?
Well, him
Structure.
get in depth where the editing aspect of it is concerned. So Premiere Pro, that's the editing. Adobe Suite. So then have Premiere Pro where you use edit videos and on export. That whole part of it, the technical part of him, he does that. So he teaches you how to do that video and photography. And the way he teaches it is just seamless to me and I'm passionate about it. He use it as one way of expressing yourself.
And you watch him like every day?
Whenever I post. As he posts,
You watch it?
yeah.
So you're a loyal fan to that guy. So how far are you planning on going with the YouTube?
Tell you honest truth, although I love it.
You don't plan to go far with it?
No, alright. The whole thing right now is like this. So, you know what you need to do to get better, right? So,
Yeah.
you keep on practice what you do every day. So that means filming and, you know, studying everything. So, you know what you need to do to get better every day. So you do that and kind of forget about it. So you depend on autopilot where that is concerned.
Yeah.
So you enjoy yourself while you're working on the plan. So the end game thing. You see me? So that's how it comes along. It's like every day I do I enjoy, and that thing that I'm enjoying is helping me to get to the end part of the thing, which are the plan. You know, so you should have done one detective.
Why you say that?
Come in the question them.
Alright.
Like anybody will listen video, if them really want to find out what I'm up to, then could have probably find out by the question them they ask so far.
I asked you a lot of personal questions, right? Did I ask your age?
Yeah, 30.
So how old do you think you look?
Probably 45.
Oh God, you don't do that. Really?
Probably 45.
Have you ever think about singing or DJing?
Me used to do that.
You never tell me about that. How was that for you? How did that work
I used to
out?
step on my church choir, but the church thing, alright, me have to stand for something. So church people, I know they start get confusing. You see me? So like, I never really know what they stand for, so the whole choir thing never make no sense to me again. So that time I start the DJ now. And then the violence thing still never worked for me. So start paint.
Okay, so Mr. Akeem, can you cook? Because you know we ladies in Jamaica like our men, when them up, you know them bad chef, so what can you cook?
Chicken, can fry it, bro.
Remember you love pork, you know?
Can't cook.
Because my sister you love pork, so you must, you can't tell me that?
No, I can't.
Why?
I need to learn.
No, but to a man who love pork, so you're supposed to can do it every way. Jerk, curry, brown stew, roast. Come on.
I just kind of feel like I have all that time.
So you cook though, like you cook. You're a cook. You don't, because you know certain men not like cook. Them afraid to cook. Them say a woman job that, and I don't think so. As a good husband materialist,
I
most
feel
you can
like
cook.
cook as often as I get junk food.
Do you drink a lot? Are you alcoholic? What do you smoke? Tobacco, weed?
Marijuana.
Isn't marijuana and weed the same thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Marijuana. And you never take no drugs apart from marijuana and
Drugs apart from marijuana. You know, say police and me start smoke.
So in the forest, can you smoke?
Yeah.
Have you ever fight in the forest with another police?
No one nearly stabbed me up though.
Really? How was that?
Yeah. Me tell a story up on my old channel. Long story, you know. So you know, I don't know if you know, but the police ain't sex for the barracks and everything.
What? Like?
Yeah, police and for the barracks and everything. They bring their girlfriend over sometime and then sometime.
Oh, then bring the woman pan the ends them.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
but they have this
But
police.
most guys, they not sleep at the yard sometime.
So I have this police, so I call him house. Then, so my girlfriend come check him, I want to feed him bridging now. We have my bridging same way. We walk go down the hallway. So we hear like one woman a scream in our room. So the first sound I hear, I assume say, oh,
That's
that's
six.
a go on.
Yeah.
But when we listen now, we say, no sir. So I know about the door now, I see the boss of my woman with ratchet knife and sitting there.
I stab her, him stab her already?
No, like him out for stab her now, you see me, so we call out to him. And he look around now. I don't know him in some kind of raising run come hold on, like my run come hold on for me. I say I don't have to talk to him and flick out in ratchet knife. And I say, so I feel bridging now have to come around and hold him and tell him to take it easy.
Oh.
Later.
So why girl do him so?
Why I don't know, you know.
That's why they see them police, that's why woman afraid for them with them, you know. Because the first thing comes to mind is violence. No matter how the woman cheat, I don't think you're supposed to like take out.
I always
You know?
say that. I always say that too. Like, you know,
I don't think that's supposed to happen.
yeah, I like them question. I think I first somebody interview.
Somebody interview like this.
And me always I do interview.
How else me can ask you now? Who? My boy them come.
I'm ready now?
Them just come.
Alright, so perfect timing.
Yeah,
Let's switch on to your interview now. Come.
My face one pat up now. But you feel it well.
So, Lexi that from 876 just run the first interview on my channel. Interview me. Oh, so then reach. So them I film one movie. I'm supposed to play some best friend to Lexi. So she friend zone I think the movie name.
Getting one subject, go to college, come out and still have to work at call center, brother. Now what no day after they do with their subject and their degree. What you tell me, say?
Hold on there. I see him live on the pan. Come here, Lexi, ask if I see him live on the pan. I never realize. How I go?
Lexi figure out how they're going to stay alive. We're having a discussion about education or elevation. Which one carry to life?
Why, I don't know still.
Which one?
I don't know.
Because you
Money.
can't have 15 subjects and have no money, you know.
Yeah.
And the man who have no subject have more money. Exactly.
It has to be elevated.
Exactly. I'm not going to tell you about education.
No, you're crazy. You're crazy. Remember that you're crazy. After elevation.
Elevation take it to life.
Elevation.
Yeah, not education.
Listen, you can have nothing at all.
I have
And
everything.
have everything on elevate. A whole heap of people out there don't have a person, but what? Them have more than the rich. Them have more than the.
The system, the Jamaican system.
Enough business with
enough
system.
people
And
that
that
are
much
college.
the system too much.
Enough people gone college.
The system could make me poor.
Hey.
All if me have one subject,
Yo.
could make the system one million. You're crazy.
If you tell some people how
I'm a
Jamaican
hustler.
system, if you tell some people
Yeah,
overseas
like
how
that.
Jamaican
Yeah.
system stay there, ball your water and then live here.
No,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
want the system.
That's why the people them are run with off foreign. I be a runner them
Bad
run
man. Me not comfortable, brother. Me not.
Yeah, so because all of them something that really affect me kind of hard for jumping at them kind of conversation. You know, because I don't think politics or government are don't control how me make money. That just all depends on me. I'm Lexi over there pretty up. So, when I do two questions too much. We understand about the movie where I shoot.
A friend zone is a friend zone thing. So I'll be like, My friends zone a boy. That happen like that happen every day in a Jamaica. You know, friends zone.
Well,
Yeah.
see your friends on a boy.
Right here. Hi guys.
The people in the here.
Welcome back to Jamaican family.
Yeah, my family. Okay.
Which part with the Where
I don't know, I'm just there here, you know. I'm just there here. Richie tell me about the Whitehall. Oh. No, man, give me Pepsi now, I'm not telling you Pepsi. Come in. Come in, give me Pepsi.
How am I missing you?
It's already a record.
Ready. Let's go.
I say zoom in.
It's already a record.
Yeah, but you zoom in though.
No press no button.
I not press nothing, love. Yeah, peoples. We are here. Jamaican family, Richard Brown, Akeem Lawrence, Alton. Alton, whatsoever you want name. Curious Boss.
She not even looking at the camera. She not even looking at the camera.
Lexi family.
Tap in the camera. Hold it straight. Hold it straight.
See, if you take up the camera, hold it properly.
Yeah, I know how to use it.
Yeah? If you take up the camera, hold it properly.
Alright, Papa.
I can read tell hold properly.
Yeah?
Okay, and now we have a new somebody.
Hey, Papa, I love being full live right now. I make no money out of
Tell back the camera.
So, big up yourself for that segment. Thank you very much, miss. Yeah, man. So, people, I'm gonna go shoot them now. So, later. Me too.
Bye, guys. Peace out.